When replacing a circuit breaker panel, several reputable brands and key considerations should be taken into account. Some recommended circuit breaker panels include Square D Homeline, a highly reputable brand known for reliable and durable circuit breakers. Siemens QF panels are known for their compact design and high circuit capacity. Eaton BR series panels offer advanced features such as arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters protection. GE Power panel is an affordable option with a variety of panel sizes and configurations. Finally, Schneider Electric HOM panels offer a stylish and modern design with a wide range of amperage options. When choosing a new circuit breaker panel, there are several factors to consider. Firstly, amperage. Determine the electrical load of the home and choose a panel with ample capacity to accommodate future upgrades. Most homes require a 200 amps panel, but this is just a rule of thumb, and an electrical load calculation should be performed to determine the correct sizing. Secondly, circuit capacity. Calculate the number of circuits needed based on the appliances and devices used. It's important to consider future additions to ensure there's sufficient capacity. Thirdly, features. Consider advanced features such as arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters for enhanced electrical safety. Arc fault circuit interrupters protect against electrical fires caused by arcing faults, while ground fault circuit interrupters protect against electrical shock by detecting ground faults. Fourthly, panel size. Choose a panel that fits the available space in the electrical panel box. Measure the dimensions of the existing panel box to ensure the new panel will fit properly. Fifthly, price. Set a budget and compare costs from different manufacturers and models. Consider the long-term cost of ownership, including maintenance and potential repairs. In addition to these considerations, here are some additional tips. Firstly, hire a licensed electrician. Always consult a licensed electrician to assess the electrical needs, select the appropriate panel, and perform the installation safely. A licensed electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure the panel is installed correctly and meets all applicable electrical codes. Secondly, research the Zinsco board. Understand the specific risks associated with the Zinsco board and prioritize its removal. Zinsco boards are known to have a higher risk of failure and can pose a safety hazard. Thirdly, consider load calculation. Engage an electrician to perform a thorough load calculation to determine the exact amperage and circuit capacity requirements of the home. A load calculation takes into account all of the electrical loads in the home, including lighting, appliances, and heating and cooling systems. Fourthly, allow for expansion. Choose a panel that provides room for future additions, such as electric vehicle charging or solar panels. This will ensure that the electrical system can accommodate future needs. Regular maintenance is also important. Ensure regular inspections and maintenance of the circuit breaker panel to maintain its functionality and safety. This includes checking for loose connections, corrosion, and other signs of damage. Circuit breakers are essential safety devices that protect electrical circuits from overcurrents, which can lead to fires and other hazards. Choosing the right circuit breaker panel is critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Several reputable brands offer a variety of panels with different features and capabilities. Square D Homeline panels are a popular choice for residential applications, known for their reliability and durability. These panels feature a simple, easy-to-use design and are available in a variety of sizes to accommodate different electrical loads. Siemens QF panels are another excellent option, known for their compact design and high circuit capacity. These panels are ideal for homes with limited space and feature a quick connect system for easy installation. Eaton BR series panels offer advanced features such as arc fault circuit interrupters and ground fault circuit interrupters protection. These panels are designed to protect against electrical fires and shocks and are a great choice for homes with young children or elderly residents. GE Power panel is an affordable option that offers a variety of panel sizes and configurations. These panels are a good choice for homeowners on a budget and are easy to install and maintain. Schneider Electric HOM panels offer a stylish and modern design with a wide range of amperage options. These panels are a great choice for homeowners who want a panel that looks as good as it performs. When choosing a circuit breaker panel, it is important to consider the amperage rating. The amperage rating of the panel should be high enough to accommodate the electrical load of the home. Most homes require a 200 amps panel, but larger homes or homes with high electrical loads may require a higher amperage panel. It is also important to consider the number of circuits that will be needed. The number of circuits required will depend on the size of the home and the number of electrical devices that will be used. It is always a good idea to choose a panel with more circuits than are currently needed to allow for future expansion. In addition to amperage and circuit capacity, there are several other features to consider when choosing a circuit breaker panel. Arc fault circuit interrupters protect against electrical fires caused by arcing faults. Ground fault circuit interrupters protect against electrical shock by detecting ground faults. Surge protection protects against power surges, which can damage electronic equipment. Remote monitoring allows the panel to be monitored remotely, providing real-time information about the electrical system. Once a circuit breaker panel has been chosen, it is important to have it installed by a licensed electrician. A licensed electrician will be able to install the panel safely and correctly and will ensure that it meets all applicable electrical codes. It is also important to have the circuit breaker panel inspected regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly. A regular inspection can help to identify potential problems before they become serious. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive standards for electrical installations in the United States. It is updated every 3 years to reflect the latest advancements in electrical technology and safety practices. Adherence to the NEC is crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Article 220. 12 of the NEC covers general lighting loads, specifying the minimum lighting load requirements for different types of occupancies. These requirements are based on the square footage of the building and the type of occupancy. Understanding these requirements is essential for ensuring that the electrical system has sufficient capacity to handle the lighting load. Article 210. 11 of the NEC addresses branch circuits required, outlining the requirements for the number and type of branch circuits needed in a dwelling. These requirements are based on the square footage of the dwelling and the types of appliances and equipment that will be used. Properly sizing and installing branch circuits is essential for preventing overloads and ensuring the safe operation of electrical equipment. Article 310. 16 of the NEC provides ampacity tables for conductors, which specify the maximum current carrying capacity of different types of conductors based on their size, insulation type, and installation conditions. These tables are essential for selecting the correct size conductors for branch circuits and feeders. Using conductors that are too small can result in overheating and potentially lead to fires. Article 408 of the NEC covers switchboards and panel boards, providing requirements for their installation, construction, and protection. These requirements are designed to ensure the safety and reliability of these critical components of the electrical system. Proper installation and maintenance of switchboards and panel boards are essential for preventing electrical hazards. When planning an electrical system upgrade, it is important to consider future needs. As technology advances and energy demands increase, it is likely that more electrical capacity will be needed in the future. Installing a circuit breaker panel with spare capacity and using appropriately sized conductors can help to accommodate future electrical loads. It is also important to consider the location of the circuit breaker panel. The panel should be located in an accessible location that is protected from moisture and physical damage. The panel should also be properly grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. Regular maintenance of the electrical system is essential for ensuring its safety and reliability. This includes inspecting the circuit breaker panel, checking for loose connections, and testing ground fault circuit interrupters and arc fault circuit interrupters. Any problems that are identified should be addressed promptly by a qualified electrician. The electrical system is a critical component of any home or building. By following the NEC and adhering to sound electrical practices, it is possible to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. The role of a licensed electrician in ensuring electrical safety cannot be overstated. These professionals possess the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to install, maintain, and repair electrical systems in accordance with safety codes and regulations. Engaging a licensed electrician is not just a matter of compliance but a critical step in protecting lives and property. Licensed electricians undergo extensive training and apprenticeship programs equipping them with a deep understanding of electrical theory, wiring methods, and safety procedures. They are also familiar with the NEC and other relevant standards, ensuring that their work meets the highest safety standards. When hiring an electrician, it is important to verify their credentials and ensure that they are properly licensed and insured. This information can typically be obtained from the local licensing board or by checking online directories. It is also a good idea to ask for references and to check the electrician's online reviews. A qualified electrician will be able to assess the electrical needs, select the appropriate materials, and perform the work safely and efficiently. They will also be able to identify potential hazards and recommend solutions to mitigate risks. One of the most important tasks performed by electricians is the installation of circuit breaker panels. These panels serve as the central distribution point for electricity in a building, and their proper installation is critical for ensuring the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Electricians carefully size the panel to accommodate the electrical load of the building, install the circuit breakers, and connect the wiring in accordance with the NEC. They also ensure that the panel is properly grounded to prevent electrical shock hazards. In addition to installation, electricians also perform regular maintenance on electrical systems. This includes inspecting wiring, checking for loose connections, testing ground fault circuit interrupters and arc fault circuit interrupters, and replacing worn or damaged components. Regular maintenance can help to identify potential problems before they become serious and can extend the life of the electrical system. Electricians are also called upon to troubleshoot electrical problems. They use their knowledge of electrical theory and their diagnostic skills to identify the cause of electrical issues such as power outages, short circuits, and ground faults. They then perform the necessary repairs to restore power and ensure the safety of the electrical system. In addition to residential work, electricians also work in commercial and industrial settings. They install and maintain electrical systems in office buildings, factories, and other commercial and industrial facilities. These systems are often more complex than residential systems and require specialized knowledge and skills. Electricians also play a critical role in ensuring the safety of electrical equipment. They inspect electrical equipment to identify potential hazards, such as frayed cords, damaged plugs, and exposed wiring. They then repair or replace the equipment as needed to prevent electrical shocks and fires. The electrical system is a complex and potentially dangerous part of any home or building. By hiring a licensed electrician and following sound electrical safety practices, it is possible to ensure the safety and reliability of the electrical system. Remember that electricity can be dangerous, and it is always best to leave electrical work to the professionals. Trying to perform electrical work without the proper knowledge and training can be hazardous and can result in serious injury or even death. Always hire a licensed electrician for any electrical work, no matter how small or simple it may seem.